Yo, it is a fried African song, you know. You just have to say heck and call out some vegetables. So do it then now. Alright? Jump reading.
La 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 heck to the rock, tomato, heck, pop chow, mango.
Yo, what's an African black?
Facebook hero, buck at it again. I don't know when I come to talk, I don't know when I come to talk, my grieve dog. You, Mr. X6 man, kill off the innocent youth. Then buy out everybody at Jamaica, but you can't buy out the hero, you know. You can't buy out the hero. Because Jamaican motto is, money talk and bullshit walk. For you have money, you buy out anything. So we're going to come together and raise some funds and buy cartel at X6. Come my friend, half a bust off the case. Addy, my daddy, half a bust off the case. Shoot the innocent youth and go like nothing now come outside. People don't go like you know go march, you know. Because you know waste on the breath. Don't go like you know go march in the road and talk about you know justice. Because now waste on the breath. See me lean up on your car, shoot me. See me matter of me turn on my back, shoot me. Me not in a look. See me I run and shoot me X6 man. X6 man, shoot me. Shoot me no X6 man. Shoot me. Shoot me and blood up me cape and mask. Me pride and joy. Big Flash water party, you know about? Yeah, man, you see me. You know buy a ticket. That's some ticket I sell. Me not buy no ticket from you. What? The last time I buy a ticket from you, me not get to go in that party. What you mean? A plastic ticket that me not use. And a plastic ticket me give you bad man. Back out that can go. Anyways, where you get them ticket? Xtickets.com. Where you buy them? Xtickets.com. What? For the internet. What man, which party in Sakam? Can't buy the way for walking in there. Yo, Juba, talk to them, brother. Who are you, Juba? Wagwa. You don't know that Juba from Hapla. Watch. All party and event promoters. Xtickets.com and the new place where you sell the ticket. Them sign up on Xtickets.com and download the app. And you don't have to pay for print. No more tickets. Just sell them right off of your cell phone. Just like how you buy credit to your phone. People can buy tickets online for any party as long as the promoter them sign up with Xtickets.com to sell tickets. Watch again. The people are now left their yard to get them tickets. They just go to Xtickets.com, buy them digital tickets. Or you get it right to your WhatsApp, right to your email, or BB thing. Watch. They are sending straight to your IG. And with this ticketing system, no bandulo. So Mr. Promoter, them can't fraud your ticket again. Them again. Them bandulo ticket for a very long time. X-Tickets, they have to stop their shine. Xtickets.com. Go download.
I didn't.
Don't go there, Donald.
Well, we all know what happened.
Donald, I told you not to go there. Now I'm on your ass. You know what? I never wanted to do this.
Never wanted to do what, Celery? Never wanted to do what?
I'm going Jamaican on you.
What?
Dirty boy channel. Him, you gonna bust your secret.
Could you speak English? Celery, could you speak English? Celery, stop.
Now go make the people them know where your Fazia come from.
What is she saying? Can somebody help me? I need a translationist. Celery, stop.
Stephanie, my girl, listen. All men are the same. All men are dogs, cheaters, liars, scammers, prostitutes. All men are the same.
All men are dogs.
Exactly, that's what I said. All men
Look
are...
here, you actually have some good guys out there.
No, shut up. You
know that, right?
you don't know anything, okay? You have a retarded girlfriend, so shut
all
up.
guys are the same. You have man we're good.
No, you don't have any good guys out there. You don't have any good guys out there.
Tell you, say you have good people out there.
Nah, shut up. All men are the same.
Nah,
Shut up. All men are dogs. All men are the same. And that's final.
Well, who told you to try them all?
Hey, general.
Facebook era, buck at it again. I don't know when I come to talk, I don't know when I come to talk. For all kind of things spoil. A big girl, one man spoil them. Some man do not look good, some man look like spoil milk. Some man come like a spoil egg. Last night a girl called me and talk about hero. You can't spoil me. Me say yes baby, what you want? Yeah, when a girl said to me, want a Benz. Hey girl, you think me gonna make police shoot me? You think me gonna make sick of your police shoot me? A thief you want me go thief? Me not have a righteous car. Boy, you want man spoil you. You look like a spoil egg. Hey girl, don't stress out the hero. And go look with your thinking mouth. Someone who talk about spoil. Stop stress out the hero. Remember run. New York cold and me have to come out here preach. New York cold and me have to come out here preach. Boy, you want man spoil you. Spoil egg girl.
Hey. I saw it still, wildlife in my DNA. Cowboy town, so it gone. Brave heart, so we never scared. Friends them call me a gringo. My granny tell me some wildlife, mushrooms and blind mice. So we stay, I saw it gone. So grimy, so.
Hey, boy, Ramon, me as you look for me, no? Yeah! Look at my room! My youth! Yo, my youth is a line! I'm gonna keep it here! I'm gonna keep it here! I'm gonna keep it 2 times them too! You know, Benson! I'm 1 Benson! I'm gonna have no Benson! I'm gonna tell him what about you! I'm gonna tell him what about you! Damn, you say you're free like girl! You say you're free like girl! You don't love me, no girl! You push me down! I'm trying to be in the house! I'm not Benson! I'm being in the house! Look at the girl! Look at your mother! Some girl, I'm never gonna carry me! I'm not going to do life! I'm gonna be better for you!
Be mine.
Today's Christmas. Bad we bad, Gaza bad we bad.
Scam of them there! Me a tell you say the
Goody a G-bump circle a make. Everybody fear dance, Percy a step.
The boy them start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardback.
And now, poetry by Gary.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted.
Breadfruit, you want breadfruit? Catch you dance to them called breadfruit. Watch you dance. Roast or fry, roast or fry. Catch you dance. Roast or fry, roast or fry. Breadfruit, you want breadfruit? Tell me if you want roast breadfruit. See it there? No me a line a blade.
Bag, give me some room. You don't know who you messing with. I'm gonna knock that yellow.
Pico! Parrot!
Which one of y'all kicked me?
Shoot them the exit. Go right now. Camp the crazy hype, bust the crazy hype, camp the crazy hype, kill him with the hype. No! This is Patrick! We are step on them, with the boot and we hype over. Alright, bring your hand them, go like your man. Then the double the out and back. Look left, look right, bring your hand like your man. Then the double the out and back. This is Sparta! Fico! Parrot!
Dig, duck, dig, duck, dig, duck, dig, duck. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it.
I was just looking for the sports channel, Gary.
Question for the $1 million jackpot. On Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? When did Jamaica gain independence? August 16th, 1982. August 6th, 1962. August 8th, 1942. August 24th, 1992. What's your answer? Live. Lifeline. You would like to use your last remaining lifeline. That is to make a call, right? Yeah, man. Make a call. Who'd you like to call, Kevin? I call Billy. Okay, let's get Billy on the line.
Billy the girl and Willie ain't
Hello,
no silly.
Billy.
What about bad charge?
This is Dave from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and we have Kevin here with us.
Yeah, me know. What the show?
Okay, you're watching, so you know what's up.
Yeah,
I can talk to him, Dave. Go ahead. What's the word, Billy? You ain't one more good thing, dog. You know, let me get the money on you. Start me up on TV right now. Batman, let me get the thing, dog. I'll cut the foolishness. And the question is, Billy. Oh, you know the question?
Yeah.
Then what's the answer?
Alright, you see, Jamaica get
I'm sorry, man.
Jamaica become independent August.
We're sorry. You
What
have
happened?
no
What
credit left. Please refill your
Credit?
call credit and then try
Where?
making your call again.
I told somebody I cannot do it.
Hey, bro, bitches from across the world, it's me again, Tweesh, the rich bitch in this bitch, and I'm just being myself. Rich. As clean as ice, as sharp as a sword, as rich as Tweesha. Just got some new crack rings. Yeah, and my new paper agos, plastiagos, new edition. Can't afford them. Look at these new Bridgiagos, also. It's foreign. I see y'all bitches out there, y'all broke bitches out there doing a mannequin challenge. That's what it's called, mannequin or something like that. Y'all bitches so broke. Be like me and do the mannequin challenge. Run the beat, peasants. All you Wi-Fi users out there. That girl is a real lovely. Small world, all the friends know me. Young bull living like an old bee. That's the mannequin challenge. It's rich. Tweesha mannequin challenge. Challenge yourself, bitches. Be rich like me, please. Like yesterday I wanted to take a shit, so I flew straight to Germany to use Germany toilet.
be you and me. Gonna be everything you ever dreamed.
Pineapple for the pum pum, or embrace Pangea feminine wash. Mega embrace the blood clot, me body off. Nah, stop cause tell you just mega stop cause. Hello, what you frightened me for? What are you so excited about? If you would have one of these, you would be excited too. What is that? Embrace Pangea feminine wash. It's a feminine wash made from all natural plant-based ingredients. Okay. And you ever wonder why Prince always tell me some pum pum smell like rose? Stop telling life one Prince whenever I hear him tell you that. Shut up, him always tell me that. And because it contains real rose essential oil. Real rose? Really? And Embrace Pangea work with the natural pH balance of the vagina. I like that. Yeah, girl, a pregnant woman can use it. Children can use it. If you have sensitive skin, you can use it. And you don't know me have sensitive skin already. Yeah, and you say it's small, you can carry it anywhere. You can fit it in your bra, you can fit it in your panty, in your purse. And Embrace Pangea have all them harsh chemicals the way some are using the other feminine wash them. Nope. It don't have no sodium lauryl. It don't have sulfate or color additives. None of that. Come ash up my pum pum. And them I win. And them I win. Vegan and eco-friendly, and that me I preach. Could they look pan it? So now go and go wash your pum pum. What? Who tell us my pum pum want wash? Shan Shan, because me I smell it and it smell like rose. Shan Shan, stop ask Tush. Don't ask Tush. And we both know that proper cleansing helps to reduce odor, itching, and excessive discharge. Shan Shan, take the Pangea. Give me the damn thing.
So what you guys doing? My mom coming to pick me up still so I can get you guys a ride still. But that's if you want. Yeah, so I'm at them there on taxi or bus. Mom, remember Cameron that I was always telling you about? Well, she's having a party this weekend. And I was wondering if I can borrow the car. No, not the BMW, Mom. The Benz, the black one. The one that, the 2015 one, not the 2013 one, Mom. Nobody drives around in a 2013 Benz no more. Mommy! Mommy, beg your bus fare now. Yo, she's my mother and everything, you know, dog. But sometimes she act like a real bitch, you know. I don't look like dog. And I told her yesterday, you know, dog. I said it to her. I said, Mom, why you acting like a bitch? And then she gonna start crying. But she knew she was acting like a bitch, dog. I never wanted to say, but she was acting like a bitch, dog.
You hurry up and come clean the house.
John was starting. One time, mommy going like a...
One like a what?
Mommy.
One like a what?
What you doing here?
No, something you did not go say.
No, what you do to the mommy? No, no, no.
As a matter of fact.
Facebook hero, look at it again. I know what I come to talk. I know what I come to talk. Oh, nobody boy, I get out of hand. Oh, no, I get out of hand. And the people them from my Facebook too, oh, no, I get out of hand. All they share and comment there. And right now, my Facebook low up. Right now, my face, me not trust none of you. Right now, if something jump out of my pocket, me can't bend over so and pick you up. Me have to take you up, son. Me have to search for you, son. Right now, me not trust more shadow. I went there. Don't, me not trust all one shadow. Don't, turn up some. Turn up some, me now want you turn upside of me. Right now, me not trust all one. Tile it. Right now, some you make you know. Me not trust all one. Tile it. You know, look about the boy and get things out of control. You know, take things out of control right now. Me sick and tired of it. I take more and tapping on your head. More go no. One of them kick you. Go kick on. Tapping on the chest.
Shout out to my niggers. Shout out to my niggers. Shout out to my niggers on the block. Hey, shout out to my niggers. Shout out to my niggers. Shout out to my niggers on the block. Shout out to my... Howdy, Kevin.
Well, we're going, Bridget. Hey, what kind of song?
Kevin, I know what it sounds like, but don't you fucking look at me like I'm no racist. You know I'm not a racist. I eat Oreos, and well, at least the white parts. And Kevin, I got a black dog. You know I got a black dog, and that son of a bitch is a thief. Stop acting like I'm a fucking racist.
No, Kevin.
I ain't hit my head, Kevin. You know what it is. Me and you friends, Kevin, right? No, you ain't fucking with me like that.
Got the foolishness, man.
Hey, Kevin, you wearing the hoodies? You gonna rob somewhere right now?
I look at your phone.
Kevin, hey, Kevin.
Hey, get up. Get up.
I put on
Get up.
wrong. Boom.
Explain this. What is this, Tavi? What is this? What is that? What is that? Huh?
Come on, I'm waiting for you to explain to me. What is that? You fucking bitches, Tabby? I can't believe you gonna really do this to me? Like, I gave you my heart. I gave you my heart, Tabby. You gonna really do this to me? I loved you. I love you with all my heart. And you're out here dicking other females. Wow. Wow. Oh, yeah, well, explain this next shit, nigga. Explain this next shit. You been dicking the same bitch 2 times. 2 times, Tabby. You dicking the same bitch 2 times. You're a liar. You're a dog. You're a dog.
Ashley, a 2 time alone.
Oh, then explain why you have a third wheel then. Why you have a third wheel, huh? Why you have a third wheel? Explain that. Explain it.
Hold on there. I know my cocky this.
What you mean it ain't yours? Don't you know how your dick smells now?
No, son, that's how my body smell.
Oh.
That's how my thing smell, Ashley.
Oh, well,
Ashley,
that ain't
that's how my
yours
thing
then.
smell.
I mean, it could be anybody who put it in the garbage bin. I don't know.
Who for this?
I don't know. I honestly
Who for this, Ashley?
I don't know. I'm telling you,
Ashley, me I gotta ask you again. Ashley, me I gotta ask you again. Alright? Be honest with me. Who for penis went in this?
Darrell.
Darrell? Darrell, Ashley?
Babe, it was just a one-time thing. Like, he picked me up from work and he brought me to Burger King. So he bought me a burger, so I just gave it up. I just gave him.
Yes. Very impressive, Kevin. I must say, I like this.
Yes, sir.
The job is basically yours. Just tell me your email address.
My what?
Your email address. I noticed you never filled out the slot here.
You sure you want to use that as your email address name, Bridget?
I'm here, my youth.
Alright, my boss, what do you think?
Hoodlong like bamboo at punani.com.
Kevin, I quit. You have to... Mr. Mirage, quick!
Poppin', bang of them there, dogs, scam of them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there,